Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a mechanical keyboard. And this will be the first mechanical keyboard I've owned, so I'm gonna unbox it, go over some of its features, and pretty much compare it to my old one and what's better about it. So I guess let's just get right into it. Alright, so the keyboard I got is the K60 RGB Pro, and it's the SE. So, as you can see here. So let's open this thing up. I already got paper cut by cutting the plastic, so I am very good at what I do. Alright, so you got your manual. Here's the keyboard. It is wired. It is not a wireless one. They jam a lot of stuff in this box. And then here is the leatherette wrist pad. Okay, as you can see, I got the keyboard all plugged in and everything. You got a nice little color pattern going. I had to go into the IQ software to get that all figured out. And I guess let's just start from the bottom and go to the top. So right here, as you can see, this is a leatherette palm rest, and it is magnetized, so it kind of pulls right out. It goes right in. Get in there. There we go. So I have no idea what kind of keycaps these are. I think they say they're PBT keycaps, double slot. I don't know. I don't even know what that means because mechanical keyboards are pretty much new to me. It has cherry viola switches, so I'm assuming they can be interchanged if I wanted to, but I'll stick with these for a while. And it already has RGB in it. And then the case is actually aluminum brushed anodized or iodized metal, so it's actually fairly weighty to it compared to, I guess you'd say, my old keyboard. So I guess some of the reasons I got this new keyboard is with my old keyboard, my WASD keys were sticking, and it's kind of getting annoying. And it's plastic. It moves around fairly easy. And then the palm rest is actually plastic as well. And it kind of gets really uncomfortable if you're wearing a watch or pretty much long sessions. So this should make a big difference. Other than that, I don't know, it's just time for something new, so I got this. Since I can't get a new CPU or GPU at the time, I guess the keyboard's gonna have to be it for now. So it's gonna be a little weird trying to get used to this smaller keyboard, but I still can't turn my mouse pad the right way, but oh well. What are you gonna do? I need to get a mouse pad that actually stretches this whole desk length, but maybe next time. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more content like this, or whatever else I have in my library now. And I do stream on Twitch every now and then, so feel free to stop by and check me out on there. And other than that, thanks for watching, and bye.